Hello friends and students, it's Abhay Rampal from Settle Aabroad. Today we have received a visa for TORRENS University for Ravneet Kaur. I would like to tell you that it is a level 2 university, but Ravneet have such a good profile. She got like 6.5 overall with no less than 6 in any module, but her budget was under the 10 lakh rupees. So she mailed all her documents to her and we start preparing her file, and within 15 to 20 days I think she received a mail of her immigrant of the visa. So I would like to suggest you that levels doesn't matter in Australian university as long as you have a very good profile. So REIT over here has it's a fine example. If you have a good profile, if you could clear any level 1 or level 2 university GTE, you could achieve success in your Australia study visa. Now Ravneet will gonna share her own experience.
Thank you very much. Well, firstly, I would like to thank you, Settle Abroad, for giving me this extremely happiness moment in my life. I have just mailed my documents only 2 months before to Settle Abroad, and they really helped me to clear each and every requirement of GTE. Then I was actually having a low budget of 10 lakhs only, so I just told them, I have not mentioned anything, I just told that I want to take a good university in this budget only, and they really helped me a lot by clearing my GTE, financially help and everything. So my whole experience was really good for this, and within 2 months I received my visa. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I will also recommend it if you have a low budget, if you have low financials, if you cannot show money, there is always a way out. Until and unless you have a good profile, you should have good bands, you should have good academics, then our company will able to help you in financial services and other services. But level 2 universities and even level 3 universities are also getting visas unless you have a good profile.